Jeff Bezos putting an angry customer on blast. The Amazon CEO sharing an email criticizing his support for the Black Lives Matter movement. Bezos taking a screenshot of the email and then posted it on Instagram. The customer writing in part, "I was placing an order with your company when I discovered your statement of support for Black Lives Matter. I canceled my order, and I know for a fact I won't be the only one." Bezos addressing the man directly, saying he was the, quote, kind of customer I'm happy to lose. Lee, your reaction to how this fits into kind of the corporate response of the unrest and the protests that we've seen across the country following George Floyd's death?
Yeah, I think we're seeing an unprecedented response by companies in support of Black Lives Matter in this moment. This is a real tipping point, I think, in racial relations. I think this is a real tipping point for companies really doubling down and committing to diversity and inclusion. And all of this is a symbolic moment for companies to express that. I also think at the same time, there's some confusion about what Black Lives Matter means. I think a lot of customers out there hear companies saying this, and they hear defunding the police. They hear things that Black Lives Matter might have meant before this moment. And so I think that the company's responsibility at this moment is to be really clear about what it is that they're suggesting, what it is that they stand for, and what it is that they stand against. Otherwise, I think we're going to see an equal and opposite measure than what we're seeing right now.
I just want to point out the difference between the talk and the walk. And Amazon is a giant monopoly that's gotten more powerful during the coronavirus shutdown. So let's raise that issue. But in terms of the talk versus the walk, Apple, Tim Cook, came out with a statement. 9% of the U.S. employees at Apple are black. In leadership, just 3% of the leadership at Apple in the U.S. is black. So how about more walk, Tim Cook?